Welcome to IamKidShreyan YouTube channel.
I would like to welcome you all in my channel. I am IamKidShreyan. In today's video, I am going to talk about important dates related with the tax or IRS in Portugal. There are a few dates or certain dates which we have to know about. The first date we have to keep in our mind is 31st of Jan. If you are doing any business activities under Article 53 and you are getting a tax deduction facility or tax discount facility last year but it is finished this year, then you need to change your status in the finance office by the 31st of Jan. And if your discount is continuing in this year as well, then you have to inform them. Normally it is done by your accountant, but you have to keep this date in your mind as well. And if you are earning money with any rental agreement, it may be properties or something else, but you are not issuing any receipt monthly, then you have to state or you have to declare rental income by this date. Then another important date is Feb 15 or February 15. By this date you have to register or you have to include your all the family members in the finance portal. Here you can include your spouse or your child's or parents. Another date is February 25. By this date you have to verify, register your all the expenses in the finance portal. Either you can use e-Fatura mobile app or you can go from finance website. Also you can verify whether already registered information are correct or not over there. If they are not, you can change them. And don't forget to do the verification or registration of all the expenses of your all the family members, not just you. Then from the 1st of March to 31st of March, if you are resident of Portugal, then if you want to apply for the non-habitual residency scheme, then you can apply from the finance portal. And also you can see the summary of your registered and verified expenses which is done until February 25. You can see the summary and you can do correction by this date. Then April 1st, this is the most important date for us to submit the IRS. This is the beginning of the filing IRS or filing the IRS, and it will last until 3 months or until June last. If you are getting any type of income, either they are monthly salary or pension or tax discount or rental incomes, or you get money from selling the properties, in all cases you have to file the IRS. Then May, if you are a property owner, then you have to pay IMI council tax. If they are less than 100, you only pay this tax in May. But if they are more, then there are two different months, August and November, to pay the another installments. Then June 31st is the last date to submit IRS. So don't forget to register all the expenses before while registering IRS, and don't forget to include all the family members if you haven't done it before. If you did not fill IRS, then you may be excluded to get different type of tax discount by the government. Also, you may not get IMI council tax discount. So be careful about it. July, by the last of July, you will get tax return if you are eligible, or if you are going to get money return by the finances by the 31st of July, you will get it. 31st of July is the deadline for the tax authorities. August, by the last of August, if you have to pay the IRS fine or additional tax, then you have to pay it by the 31st of August. If you missed it, you can also pay until 31st of December, but you have to pay fine plus interest. So don't miss 31st of August. For your kind information, if you are getting more fine from the finances, then you can go to the Kanai, which works for the immigrants, or you can go to immigrant, or you can also go to the finance offices and request to make the installments of the IRS fine. then they may help you to make the different installment packages to pay the IRS fine. Sometimes you don't need to pay IRS fine as well. So if you get more fine, then don't hesitate to contact finance or other different organizations. Also, by this date, if you have to pay more than 500 euro per person IMI council tax, then you have to pay second installment by the 31st of August. Then in September, if you have a IMI or additional council tax, you have to pay it. And in the November, if you have IMI council tax to pay, which is more than 100 euro, then you have to pay the last installment in November. In this way, all the dates may not be applicable, but normally February 15 for the agregado familiar, February 25 for the registering and verifying expenses or invoices, April 1st to last of June to file the IRS, then July 31st if you are getting IRS return, August 31st if you are paying IRS fine or additional tax. These are the key dates for all of us. So be informed of it, what and when we need to do something. To help you in these things, I have made some videos in my channel. Some are on the way in English and in Nepali language. So you can go to the description and find the suitable link for you to do these operations. At last, if you think this video is informative or helpful for you, don't hesitate to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. See you on next video. Thank you.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take